Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inshallah, today we will start first lesson of Nurani Qaida. And we will read from Alif to letter Ra. And this lesson is good for today, and you should practice 25 to 30 minutes. These are Arabic alphabets, and there are 29 alphabets in Arabic. This is Alif. 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 You can read after me. Alif. 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 This is Ba. Ba has one dot below the letter. Ba. Ba. You can read after me. Ba. 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 This is Ta. Ta has two dots on the top. Ta. Ta. You can read after me. Ta. 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 This is Sa. Sa has three dots on the top. Sa. Sa. You should read this letter without whistle sound. Do not make whistle in this letter. For example, if you read Sa, this is wrong. Read this letter without whistle sound. Let me show you origin of Sa. Origin mean is source of letter. These are teeth. These are upper teeth. And this is gum area. This is gum. These are upper teeth. And this is tongue. And this is tip of tongue. This is base of tongue. This is tip of tongue. This is upper front teeth. This area is base of teeth. And this is gum. If you touch tip of tongue with edge of upper front teeth, you can pronounce letter Sa. You can read after me. Sa. 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 And remember, these three letters have same shape. Their dots can make difference between these three letters, so their dots are very important. This is Jim. Jim has one dot in middle. Jim. You feel this letter I read long, but previously these letters I read short. So don't get confused yourself. Inshallah, in future I will explain you about this. Jim. You can read after me. Jim. Jim. This is ha. Ha has clear sound, and origin of ha is middle of throat. Origin mean is source of letter. Ha. This is ha. Origin of ha is upper throat. Ha. This letter pronounced from upper throat. Ha. And read this letter with full sound, heavy sound. Ha. And you can make heavy sound in letters if you raise your tongue to up. Inshallah, in future I will explain you more how you can make full sound in letters, heavy sound in letters. But at this time, you are a very beginner student. At this time, you just raise your tongue to up and try to make heavy sound in this letter. And you should know difference between these two letters. This is ha. Ha has clear sound. This is ha. This is ha. This is ha. You can read after me. This is ha. 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 This is dal. Dal has no dot. Dal. Dal. You can read after me. Dal. 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 This is dal. Dal has one dot on the top. Dal. Read dal without whistle sound. If you make whistle in this letter, for example, zal, this is wrong. Read without whistle sound this letter. Let me show you origin of zal. And remember, zal and tha, both letters have same origin. Origin mean is source of letter. I explained you. These are upper teeth, not bottom. These are upper teeth, and this is gum. This is gum area. This is tongue. This is base of tongue, and this is tip of tongue, and this is upper front teeth. This is base of teeth, and this is gum. If you touch tip of tongue with edge of upper front teeth, you can pronounce letter zal. One more time. If you touch tip of tongue with edge of upper front teeth, you can pronounce three letters from here. Sa, zal, and wa. Remember, these three letters pronounced from here, and these three letters have same origin. You can read after me. Zal. 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 This is ra. Read ra with heavy sound, full sound, and raise your tongue to up, and you can make full sound in this letter. Ra. You can read after me. Ra. 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 I think this lesson is Enough for today. Let me repeat one more time. Alif, ba, ta, tha, Jim, ha. Clear sound. This letter has clear sound. Ha. Dal, ذال, را. صدق الله العظيم.